We're gonna meet up with some of the sketches from Urban Sketches Penang also, so watch out for that. Hey everyone, what's up? This is Alvin. Welcome to the island of Pinang. We're gonna be spending a few days here sketching in the surrounds, so stay tuned. Before we meet the local urban sketching chapter, fried kway teow is served. 哦，你好，是不是在这边约？
是，你是 Urban Sketches
啊，对对，好。
我们会在这一条路这边活动。
活动 OK， 那个博物院在哪里啊？
到这里，青色的看到了吗？
青色。
这个 building
好，好，你叫什么？
我叫 Frankie。
Frankie 好，你好。
是新加坡的是吗？
啊，对对对。
Alvin 是吗？
啊，对对对。
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
新加坡人。
哦。
小英拍 video。
哦。
Alvin Mak 什么的？
啊，是。
对，你好。
我是 IB， 有 at 他，所以可以看到他的名字。
OK， 谢谢。
他的脸，他的脸。
我跟你讲，把你扶老远人用他东西没有给钱啊，就是他。
Boss.
Hi.
Hello. A few of us are here.
You're here next week. Not next week.
This week, yeah. Bampang, Chit Singh, and Darren. Yeah. Nice to see you. Let's go meet the Grand Dato' Chong. Dato' Chong Honfat is a famous artist and oil painter from Penang and was heavily involved in shaping the local art scene. Oh, Dato' Chong, huh? Nice to meet you.
Paint what? All the color?
Oil.
Oh, you would.
Oil, yeah. I was inspired by you. Georgetown Fest 10 years ago, you invited us to your house and you were showing us a few things. So, yeah. Thank you.
Come again, I painted all like 40 pages. Wow. Within 3 years.
Okay.
Crazy people.
That's good. Dato is a Malay word that is used to describe regional leader or elder. Chong was bestowed this title in August of 2016. Okay, so just to clarify, that's the Peranakan mansion over here. Yeah. Let's pop in here just to have a seat at the courtyard. So these were how grand the Peranakans were pre-war era. And that's why almost everyone back then wanted to be related to or associated with the Peranakans. Alright folks, so this is my first oil painting in Penang. Very minimal setup. It's actually the same setup that I always have with me when I'm back home. This is just to ensure that wherever I go, I'm able to carry this setup without much hassle. My standard regular paints. I have my medium here, some brushes, not a whole lot. White and raw umber for painting, palette knife, my 9x12 canvas, and of course I'm documenting this, so I have my time-lapse camera, tripod, mineral spirits, some kitchen towel. Here we go people, this is of the Peranakan mansion just over there. So I'm gonna take a short break, just going to go in this place called The Forest to buy a fruit juice, just because I'm using the front of their pretty little shop here and they're really cool with it, so I'm just gonna patronize a fruit juice just to keep me cool. It's quite humid today. Hello. Oh, 谢谢你. Yeah. What service? Green apple juice. Trying to manage this with holding the camera and my drink. The only way to push down the straw is to do this. Oh wait, it doesn't? Okay, so the straw goes down until that bar. So refreshing. Alright, folks, we're done. Just drained. What do you think about the painting? Three, two, hello. Thank you.
I think 你有教佢係咪買嗰啲？你 Carina look 有啊，好似你有教佢。係咧，呢個係 Alvin。
Hello.
啊，呢個係。
Let's go check out what everyone is doing.
Thank you. With camera and
It was indeed wonderful to see so many refreshingly beautiful art. Not the whole gang is out sketching today, but still many were out. I did not have time to meet everyone, so maybe I'll have to head back here again a few more times for their meetups. Did you drool at some of their art? Oh no. I will see him in Korea. Yes. Yeongju. This drink is traditional barley with butterfly pea flower or the blue pea flower, which explains the natural color blue. Barley is traditionally known to help cool the heatiness in your body, and the butterfly pea flower is said to be full of antioxidant. So this drink is definitely packed with nutrition. Sketch worthy too. We passed by Swatao Lane Ice Kacang and had to pop in for some local chendol, shaved ice, kidney beans, and local agar-agar with fresh coconut milk. Everything and anything to help cool the body down. We passed by my favorite coffee shop again. What is going on? Is this shop permanently closed? Time for some local durian to end this episode. I hope you enjoyed this one, everyone. This is Alvin making art in Georgetown, Penang. Subscribe the channel so you don't miss out on any episode. Until the next one, ciao ciao.